I am so pleased to be able to bring this organized closet system to you guys today. Good morning, homebodies. Today is install day. You guys, this before shot is really intense, but to be quite honest, I think she works like 6 days a week and she's a true shop-a-holic. And she had little to no organization, but here I go with all the organization that you could possibly need. So first up is trying to figure out exactly what she needed, and what I try to do with all of my clients is provide some type of literature so that you know what pieces I'm buying, how much it costs, and then I like to follow up with a visual representation of what you're going to get. And then for my installer, which just so happens to be my lovely husband this time, I like to have some type of visual rendering so that he knows exactly where things go. After I finished all of the back office work, which is the dimensions and what needs to be bought, it really was a 2-day process to purchase and install, because we did have to leave because sis just had a lot of stuff. Okay, I mean a lot of stuff, and even with the two of us, we still didn't get everything organized. But in this video, I'm going to show you the closet, because I was able to get her organized to a point where all of the clothes that were on the side of her bed and the extra shoe storage all were eliminated and everything was placed inside of the closet. Objective in this closet organizational system was to maximize the vertical space, because that wall that divots in on your left side of the screen, it actually is the water closet inside of the actual master bathroom, so there was no way for us to remove that. So the best way I found was to use the Rubbermaid closet system from Home Depot. Alright, homebodies, this is day 1 of install. We finally got everything out of the closet, and we are working through the system right now so that we can figure out exactly what she is going to keep and what she's not going to keep. I'm not tossing anything. I haven't went through anything. I haven't thrown anything away, because I don't know what she's going to keep and what she's going to give away, excuse me. So right now we're just going to go through the system, and then tomorrow we're going to thoroughly start going through everything of what we need to give away. Now, when it comes to the bathroom, on the other hand, we've already pretty much went through everything that she was going to keep and throw away. So I have those items, and I'll be able to kind of just do that and organize her bathroom, or at least start on it. So I'm glad that you guys are here for the ride, and just know, y'all, this is intense, okay? This is not a service that I offer often, but honestly, this is actually how I started in interior design. So, as you can see, the first thing I'm trying to do is measure out between the studs of where to put the vertical support rods, and show my husband exactly where the horizontal bracing rod goes, and I'm marking that on the wall so that I can get out of his way and you know, just supervise. property. So there were about 3 things that we were not going to be allowed to do, which was spackle and putty, paint, and we couldn't do anything that could not be taken down and the original closet system be reinstalled. I don't necessarily know why the homeowner would want the old closet system, but you know, hey, to each his own. For those of you that are not really ready to spend a really pretty penny on a full custom closet system, the Rubbermaid system gives you a lot more flexibility, and that's the reason why I chose it, because it was going to give, first of all, the stability and be mounted to studs, but secondly, the flexibility so that everything that she owns can go in one space. As you can see, she has a lot of shoes, a lot of empty shoe boxes, a lot of beautiful dresses, nice pieces, so I can understand why she was struggling to get by, because the closet literally had 0 storage, and the storage she did have wasn't really functioning the way that she needed it to. She was missing so much storage that she ended up having to reach outside of the closet to store the items. So up next, you'll be able to see the remedy. Although we eliminated the ability for her to use that top shelf for storage, we maximized her hanging ability by mounting the top rack 5 inches away from the ceiling. The next kicker was organizing all of her pants, because she's fairly tall. So what we did was we folded them onto the hangers in quarters and grouped like items like shorts together. For any of her remaining accessories, we installed this basket system so that she can have more vertical hanging space so that she can see all of her items. If you notice, we have empty spaces on the shelf because all of the items are properly placed in their own homes. Obviously, from where we started to where we are now, my client is extremely pleased with her closet system. Hey, before you leave, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And if you enjoyed this, please give it a big thumbs up. So